In this video, I'm going to show you how to download historical data on NinjaTrader 8. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Connections up here, and then here where it says Playback, click on it, and it's going to open up your historical data. Here, under Loaded, in case it's not loaded yet, click like this, there we go, and then you have to go to Historical, and you have to select what you would like to basically download your historical data for. So, for example, let's say I'm going to do Bitcoin USD, last, and then let's do day, and then here I'm going to do 2025, and then you can see your historical data for different dates over here. Okay, so you can select whatever day you want, for example a random day. Let's do 26th of July over here, and then what you can do is, of course, you can change some data if you want to, like this, but I'm not going to do that. And then you can just go ahead and select the instrument down here again, and I'm going to go to crypto. I'm going to find the same one, so Bitcoin USD. There we go. And then here the date is going to be, of course, you have to select the one you want. So we said we're going to do July 26th. There we go, like this. And then you have to click on the download button. It's going to start loading. And after that's done, there we go. You've successfully downloaded historical data using NinjaTrader 8, and you can go ahead, continue, and you can now replay your historical data. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.